Now, this is going to be less of a aftermarket modification video and more of an upkeep and maintenance video. So my Q50 is a 2015, which means it's kind of getting up there in age. If yours is anything like mine, you probably got a heavy ass trunk that slams and sets off car alarm. I recently changed the struts on my trunk, and now I'm realizing that my hood is starting to feel heavy. Let me show you. So just pop the hood. Lift it up, let it go. And it drops on its own. Now, I've been doing a lot of projects on my headlights. I've been trying to integrate all the welcome animations with my interior lighting project that I'm doing.
What are you talking about?
So I'm spending a lot of time under the hood. A lot of the time that I was working, I was actually propping the hood up on my head, just holding it up while I was working, but enough is enough. So I went out to Amazon, I got some new hood struts, and I am going to install them today. I'm going to walk you through it. Not the most exciting thing, but hopefully it'll help somebody out if they're in a similar position and they don't want to take it to the dealer and spend hundreds of dollars on, $20 parts. So sit tight.
So the first thing I'm doing is giving myself some additional support here. So just got a broom on the ground and I'm running it up here. So when I start releasing these struts on either side, there's going to be a little something to support the weight of the hood, so it's not just going to drop on my head.
I swear I got weak hands.
Okay, so your first step here is going to be to use a screwdriver to remove the metal pin that's actually holding the strut to the hood.
I'm flying. Replace it with the new one and try to pop it in place manually. Hopefully, yep, there it goes.
And now I can focus on this one on the bottom here.
It's the same kind of thing where I think I can pry this metal piece off. That's free.
And I should be able to
Pop the new one right in place. Assuming I can rotate it, lift it up, and pop it on. I think that DIY might be done on this side.
So what I'm going to try to do is release the broom and see if, even with the one strut, it's now strong enough to support itself. And it is. Perfect. That was quick and easy. What I'm going to do is the exact same thing on the other side. It should just take less than 5 minutes.
And just like that, we're all done. So now, I've got some good tension. It pops my hood back up. That's what I'm talking about. So it's not gonna be slamming on my head when I'm doing projects. That's it. Hope it's just as easy for you. Catch you on the next one.